this man within, that we speak of as Jesus Christ, I can only be born from above if I am joined in supernatural union to him who is the Son of God by nature. So when I stood in his presence, it's an actual union. And don't be embarrassed, we're all adults. It's not a sexual union. You feel no sexual act. But the most fantastic sexual act in the world is that it's nothing compared to the ecstasy of the embrace of the Son of God when he embraces you. When you stand in his presence and he asks you the simplest question in the world, to name the greatest thing in the world, and whether you knew it prior to that moment or not, you're going to answer automatically, for you're fulfilling Scripture. And you're going to say faith, hope, and love, these three. But the greatest of these is love. At that moment he embraces you, and you fuse, you actually become one body, one spirit. At that moment, you have had union with the risen Lord. Now, the seed that I contain within myself bears my image. Find the appropriate soil in which to plant it, and it will grow into the likeness of myself from which it was taken.